I'm your fairy godmother, honey.
Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So I know I've been gone for a while. I have been in my crochet bag, y'all. So I'm just going to be doing sets that are gonna help my nails grow. So firstly, we're just gonna go ahead and get right into it and start filing. I want to etch the surface of each nail just so that my prep can be A1. Um, I will be adding short full cover tips to my nails just for some extra security. I don't know, for some reason my nerves are so bad even when my nails are painted. If I know that my nails are available, I might just bite them. So I make them thick to the point where I know, like, okay, girl, Well, we're gonna go ahead and clean up that cuticle. We're getting all that dead skin out of the way. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn that bell on if you have not already. If you are new to the channel, hey, Bookie, I am Shay, and I love to do DIY things at home. We're gonna go ahead and prep now. So I went ahead and dehydrated with rubbing alcohol, and now I am adding primer to my nail beds, and I like to do 2 coats of this and let them dry in between each other. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and grab some base coat, and we're just gonna put a nice even layer on each nail and cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. I hope you guys have been well. I have been so good. Crocheting just brings me so much joy. Nails, it's cool, but they don't make me as happy as crochet does. Like, that's crazy to even say because I've been doing nails for so long. But yeah, girl. Anywho, I am adding some full cover tips with base coat to my nails, and these are soft gel, so I am just trying to get them. I didn't get them like super close to the cuticle. I left a little bit of space so that I would be able to go ahead and seal my cuticle good. And also, I am going to be putting builder gel, so I just want that extra little gap so that I can have some extra security. Um, and yeah, I'm gonna cut my nails down after I'm done with this. But please make sure your nails are fully cured before clipping them off because they will pop off if not. And yeah, I'm just gonna be doing a cute short black set with stars on them. I've been obsessed with stars, and stars are a part of my brand, my crochet brand. It's called the Crochet Way. So yeah, um, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some stars on my nails. And what I'm gonna be doing, because I kind of just want to try different color sets like this, I am just going to be doing a fill and stuff each set that I do, and I'm just going to be alternating colors and stuff like that for right now, just because it's all about branding, you guys. And I like to film videos of me crocheting, so I like to have stars on my nails. Like, that's my little logo. That's a part of my little logo. So it's all about the marketing, you guys. So I will be having stars on my nails until further notice. My next video is probably going to be a toe video. But right now I am currently adding, I did base coat first over the full cover tips, and then I'm going to go in there after cleaning up my cuticle. I'm going to go in there with some, what is that called? Builder gel? Yes, builder gel. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with builder gel after this. The reason why I clean up my cuticles first is because when I go in with the builder gel, I'm always very precise, so I don't need to clean up my cuticles while I'm doing that. So I'm good, but you can do just base coat and then you can do your builder gel and then clean up your cuticles. It's really up to you. My preference was to do in between the two, so that's what I did. And now after I did do my builder gel off camera, but it's basically I basically applied it just how I applied my base coat, but just a little bit thicker. And now I'm just going in with some black gel polish. I'm going to be using a liner brush to go ahead and make sure my cuticles are really, really clean first. And then I use the nail polish brush to go ahead and color that in. I cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then after I'm done with this, you guys, I'm just going to go ahead and add some stars on my nails. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. I do plan on dropping more videos that are short in length like this, just because it's easier on me, and I know that people don't really have a long attention span anymore. So the longer videos is just, it's not always effective, and sometimes people like tutorials that are straight to the point. But this whole video is just to help grow my nails. I am just trying to get my nails as natural and healthy as possible. So I will be having this technique until further notice, just because polygel, I feel like it takes so much time up, and I prefer to put more time into my other business instead of having to sit at a desk doing my nails for 8 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours at a time when they're very long and very intricate. And when I have to do that, I end up biting my nails, you guys. Like, my nerves are so bad. Like, I just want healthy nails, y'all. Like, that's it. That's all. So this is the journey that we're on right now. And while I'm doing my stars, I did use some acrylic. What is that? Acrylic pen. That's what it is. It's acrylic art pen. And I got them in a set with every single color of the rainbow. These come in clutch for nail art, and then I'm just going to go ahead and go in with some white gel polish, color it in, and make them nice and crispy, as crispy as they can be. And this is how they look. um I went ahead and added my top coat already, and now we're just doing our cuticles. I actually love how short nails look on me. I prefer short nails. Yeah, so please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please turn that bell on if you are new. Welcome to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. And if you guys want to check out my crochet stuff, please comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, babes. Mwah.